Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I want to show you guys how to do a diagnosis on faulty injectors on a Nissan Frontier or Xterra with a 3.3 V6 engine. And basically you're gonna have three symptoms that's gonna be a giveaway that's gonna be your faulty injectors. So the first one is gonna be multiple misfires on the engine. So it's not really gonna tell you which cylinder, or it might, but it's gonna be most likely multiple misfire. Second one, it's gonna be you're gonna smell gas inside the car. Okay, you might see dripping gas at the bottom of the engine because it's gonna go through your exhaust manifold, and you'll see it dripping to the ground. So second one is fuel leaking. The third one, your gas mileage is gonna be very low, so you'll see how it drops the gas and it's gonna go by really quick. So, and then you have those three, and obviously with the multiple misfire, you'll have a loss of power on the engine. So when you have these three symptoms, it's most likely gonna be this injector. This is an old one, and this is a new one. Okay, this one I removed it, and as you can see, the gasket, see, it's broken. So what's going on? Fuel is going through there, and it's causing so that it's going through the cylinder, and it's gonna zip through the cylinder, and it's gonna go through the exhaust manifold and into the muffler. Like, it might not go all the way into the muffler, it might burn away, but sometimes if there's a lot of fuel, it goes through the muffler, and then you'll see fuel coming out of there. So yeah, make sure you guys, it's super easy to change. It's not hard at all on these engines. Basically you have to remove this cable here. There's gonna be two nut bolts, okay, and then you have to remove this intake tube, okay, and then there's gonna be 6 screws that are gonna look like this. They're gonna be right there. So just grab an extension, and then you can remove it with your impact drill. So this is what I used on mine. Okay, so 6, and then you'll be able to remove it. You can put something like this so that it stays out, and then you can remove each. This is a Phillips screwdriver. You can remove each one of them. Make sure it's a thick Phillips so that you don't strip the ends. And then when you put the new ones, you guys wanna put some grease, okay, around this and around here, and then you slide it in, and you put all new injectors, and then close everything, put everything back, and then you guys should be good to go. Okay, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope this helps you to do your injectors on your either Xterra or Nissan Frontier.